The channel. Welcome on our channel QHSC Akbar Jilani. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and watch the video from start up to the end, and give your comments if you need any clarification, if you have any questions. In this video, in our previous video, we discussed about what is life cycle perspective and what are the different impacts of life cycle perspective. In this video, we will give an overview. Of the link between the environmental impact from different tasks or activities or functions and the ISO classes. So now we want to establish a link with the ISO classes and the life cycle perspective requirements. 4.1 and 4.2 external issue in interested parties. 6.152 identification of environmental aspects. 8.1 operational planning and control. Then 8.1 design and procurement life cycle thinking. Over here in this diagram we have these are our aspects: raw material, then design, production, manufacturing. We just only take an example of the manufacturing organization because it's very easy for you to understand. Then over here the transportation, and then use, then after use the waste, and after use we dispose this. So this is the life cycle perspective. Now we take this in more details: raw material extraction, resources depletion, energy use, supplier environmental performance, then transportation, fuel consumption, emission, packing impacts, distribution, logistic emission, storage condition, then use, energy efficiency of products, maintenance impact. Now use phase, energy efficiency of products, maintenance impact, then manufacturing operation, waste generation, water and energy use, emission and spills. So now we discuss this one by one. Raw material extraction, resources depletion, energy use, supplier environmental performance, transportation, fuel consumption, emission, packing impacts, manufacturing operations, waste generation, water and energy use, emission and spills. Distributions, logistics, emission, storage condition, use phase, energy efficiency of products, maintenance impact, end of life disposal, recycling, hazardous waste, recycling potential, legal compliance. Now practical examples. Now we are taking some practical examples. Manufacturing company, because it's very simple to understand this in the exam. If we give the examples of a manufacturing organization, raw materials, environmentally approved supplier, EMS. What we will consider environmentally approved suppliers. Transport, low emission logistics. Production, waste segregation, spill control. Packing, recyclable material. What material we will use in the packing will be recyclable or reuse. Customer use, eco-friendly instructions. Disposal, how we will dispose the product. Take back or recycling guidance. If we have iron or steel plates or something, we can recycle. If we have glass, we can recycle. So some of the products we can recycle. Now over here, common mistakes, only considering on-site activities. If we are auditing only the site activities, ignoring suppliers and contractors, no environmental requirement in procurement. See the policy, what the green, they have the green procurement policy, the organization, or they don't have. No documentation linking life cycle to inspect register. In fact, in inspect register they will have definitely. How auditors check life cycle perspective. Explain audit mindset. Aspect registers show upstream and downstream impacts. corporate product procedure, including environmental criteria. Design changes consider environmental impact. Control exists even when there is influence, not control. Closing and call to action. Life cycle perspective is not paperwork, it's environmental thinking behind your fence. If you have any question, please write your question in the comment section. And for in our previous video link for the life cycle perspective is given. If you want to read more or you want to learn more, please also watch the other video. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.